Hey guys, welcome to YouTube for broke people. So today we're going to show you 10 different ways of trying to make some extra bit of money because we're all broke out there. We all need some ways to make some money. We're going to give you a few good ideas how to make easy money from home. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It makes a big difference to our channel and we do appreciate all the love and support. Number one, why don't you get paid for doing paid surveys? So here we're at a site called Surveyspotter. So it's saying that all you have to do is sign up firstly, put in your details, and you can start doing surveys straight away. And the potentials are a lot. You can make about £300 per month. So if you're at home, you got nothing else to do, and you want to make a bit of money, you can even get like points and rewards from these companies here: Amazon, Boots, M&S. How it works, let's just show you. It couldn't be easy. Just follow these simple steps. Sign up for free using our form above, which we just showed you here. Then what does it say? Select and complete online surveys. Receive regular survey invitation and money making opportunities. Look out for new opportunities and complete every one to maximize your earnings. Get rewarded with gifts and gift cards and cash. Get paid by the panels in the reward of your choice, cash or vouchers for your favorite shop. So again, if you're a student or if you're just at home, you got nothing much going on, like you got a lot of time basically, and you want to make a little bit extra cash, then definitely go check out this site. Let's just show how does it work. Let's see if there's anything else that we need to read about. We have searched the internet for companies who are looking for customers' feedback and opinions. So they've done all the hard work for you and want to reward people for completing surveys. How much does it cost? It will not cost you anything. The service is free and there is no hidden fees. Just sign up basically. How do I start earning? Sign up to Surveyspotter through our form and you will be directed to our survey opportunities. Select which surveys that you would like to sign up to and hit yes. Look out for our emails. Okay, make sure that you check your spam and there you have it. That's one way of making some money when you're at home as a student, or if you're just at home unemployed right now, or you might just be at home and you prefer the home life and you want to just make a bit of money. Definitely go check out this site. Number two, have you considered becoming a tutor? Why don't you try becoming a tutor? Maybe you're a young student, you're quite smart or you're doing really well in your education, you got a lot of time at home and you don't know how to make that little bit extra money. Well, start tutoring. You can do it online as well. You don't have to go to people's homes and do it. You can do it online. Why not do it online here? Online tutoring is a perfect job for students and recent graduates. You'll make money, gain CV boosting skills, and get the warm, fuzzy feeling of helping others. Uh, what are the rewards? Let's see how much you get. Look, taking up to £20 an hour with no experience needed. So again, as a student, you got a lot of time on your hands. You're quite good with your education. You don't necessarily have to be you don't have to be an A-star student, because don't forget, you might be teaching people 4 or 5 levels below you. You might be teaching literally adding and subtraction, and you're a C grade student, for example, in mathematics. It doesn't matter because you can easily do 1 plus 1. So that's another nice little way of trying to make some money, become a tutor. Number three, have you considered affiliate marketing? Here's another way to make some money when you're home, especially if you're a student and you're an active social media addict. So you got a lot of followers, you're interactive, you're liking your posts, you're commenting on people. Maybe you're just a popular person and you post regularly and you got a lot of followers. So why not start affiliate marketing? A nice simple way of making some money by just literally staying at home. So let's just show you how it works. You can go check out Amazon. There's so many different affiliate marketing programs out there. We'll take the simplest one, or the most well-known one that we might know of, which is Amazon. So how does it work? How does affiliate program work? You can share products and available programs on Amazon with your audience through customized linking tools, and earn money on qualifying purchases. So, for example, you got a following of say 10,000 people, even 1,000 people. You post up a product and put the link below. When someone clicks on that link, they're gonna go to Amazon, they're gonna purchase it, and then you will get a commission from it. How do I earn this program? It might be saying the same thing I just said. You earn from qualifying purchases and programs through the traffic you drive to Amazon, commission income for qualifying purchases and programs. Exactly as I said. So you got an audience. You post the product up, and someone clicks on it. So you're not really physically selling the product. Someone else is, but you're directing the people, the audience, to the product through your link. How do I qualify for this program? Bloggers, publishers, and content creators with a qualifying website or mobile app can participate. And how do I sign up? So there you have, just sign up through here. Recommend and share millions of products, earn up to 12% commission in income from qualifying purchases and programs. Go check it out. There's different types of affiliate marketing. Let me just double check what it says here. Welcome to one of our largest affiliate marketing program in the world, the Amazon Associate program. Helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic with millions of products and programs available on Amazon. So go check it out. This is one nice, easy way to make a bit of extra money affiliate marketing. Number 4, have you considered trying to sell products? While we're on Amazon, let's go through another easy, simple way that you can make money from home. Go to a site. Go to the site, and if you look at today's deal, that's a nice way of getting some discounts as well. You can find any kind of products that you want. So I found this product here, Echo Dot third generation, and it's about £10 off right now. 25%. It's about £30 plus free delivery and free returns, I think. Yeah, free delivery. Let me just push it down here. So you go to Amazon and then make an eBay account. Let me just show you on eBay. So as you can see, I'm on the same product and it's going for £39.90. So if you were to sell that on eBay, you get another £10 profit. But obviously, you have to calculate the fees, the postages, and the costs involved, packaging and everything. But as you can see, you can make a nice £10 healthy profit. So find a product on Amazon that you find quite cheap. And if you find the same product on eBay going for a higher price, then definitely why not sell it? So if you've got free time at home, you're a student, you're trying to find ways to make some money, there's a nice simple idea. Find a product. You don't have to go to Amazon. You go to Tesco's, wherever you go. Asda, Tesco's, Lidl. Where find a nice shop. Find a product that you think that people will be willing to buy. Check it out on eBay. See how much it goes for. And if you feel like you can make a nice, simple, healthy profit from it, then definitely buy and sell. Buy low, sell high. Number 5. Have you considered trying to sell broken products, fixing it, and then making money out of it? Alright, now from Amazon, let's go on to eBay. You see how it smoothly just goes on. There's so many ways of making money when you're at home and so many ideas. You just need someone to give you a bit of an idea, or maybe you just do a bit of research. So as we talked about buying on Amazon, selling on eBay, while you're on eBay, why don't you find broken phones? So there's so many broken phones out there. Let's look at iPhones because iPhones have quite a high demand. They're quite expensive. So as I go down, look, this is an iPhone XR. Right now it's 64 gigabyte. Look, right now it's going for about £102 in terms of its bidding. Damage for spare, so you can and £10 in terms of posting packaging. So you can find out exactly what's wrong with it. Just go to the description, and if you feel, let me just see if it says it here. Let me just. Okay, that this iPhone bounced off a ceramic tile floor and ended up cracking both front and back glass screen as seen in the pics. So it's obviously damaged, but find out. Go to like your local dealer, anywhere that fixes phones, and find out exactly how much it would cost to fix this. So if I go to another site, like if I go to iPhone XR now, 64 gig, look, you see it going for £217. Here you go, £210 to £250. So the average is about say 220 or 210. Let's take the minimum 210. We sold for about 110. Roughly 110, say give and take, and then you may have to fix it for a certain amount. Let's say it's about £50 to fix it. You make a healthy profit of £50 buying and selling phones. So you buy a broken phone and fix it. Obviously, try to make sure the cost of fixing it is low, that it gives you a nice little money to make at the end of it. Don't forget to add on your costs involved, such as packaging it. But nonetheless, a really good idea if you got a lot of time in your hands and you're a student, you just want to make a little bit of money. Number 6, maybe you have a lot of expensive items in your home or a lot of items that people want. Again, while you're on eBay, why don't you sell some of your old stuff? I'm sure you got a lot of stuff at home that you don't need, such as clothing items. So we literally, I just typed in jumper, and you can already see people selling their old jumpers and old clothings out there. Look, £4 starting bid, £3.50, but I'm sure it'll add up. You can even, I don't know if you've ever been to cash for clothes places. So you just go to like your nearest branch, Google it. I'm sure you can find something, and you bring in your old items and they give you money for it. So that's one other way of selling your clothes. Let's just go back to the eBay section. So it doesn't have to be clothes. Maybe you got a spare iPhone. Let me just type in iPhone. Let me just see what comes out. You can see, look, people selling already their spare part. Let me type in auctions. Yeah, auctions already done. So £102 for this phone. Here's a starting bid of £20. £103. What's this? iPhone XR. Did I type in iPhone? I did type in iPhone. Let me type in Samsung this time. And auctions. And let's see what people are selling out there. Look, a Samsung Galaxy A70, £88 already starting bid. Was bid, sorry, 27 bids. So if you got any items at home that you're not using, just sitting around, go on eBay, start listing it, and start making some money. Number 7. Do you want to get paid for testing out products? How about getting paid to do some tests? So that's another nice way of making some money. Earn a little extra money in your spare time by helping brand build better products and experiences for people around the world. So this is called user testing. So you just literally get paid for your views. How it works: influence the biggest brand, latest technology, and innovative companies while earning some extra spending money in your spare time. So all you have to do is submit your email and apply quick and practice tests to join our global network. Browse, answer screening questions to match with the test companies. Share your perspective, test via tests you match with, and help base in class brand improve the products and services and make money. Earn $4 for every 5 minutes, $10 for every 20 minutes, between $30 to $120 for live interviews. So they just want to hear your voices. Make your voices at best in class company technical user testing. So HB, Samsung, Wealth, Wafer. These are Ford. These are some big companies using this site in order to reach out to consumers. So, but they just need firstly consumer opinion and what their views are. So, and that'll be you, and you'll be paid for your services. So, why not check this out? If you're a student, you're at home, you got a bit of time, and you want to make a little bit of money, go sign up. You go log in, sign up, do a test trial, and start making some money. Number 8, why not be a bit more creative and think outside the box? Why not look at cars? How about this idea here? You can buy and sell cars. You don't actually physically have to sell it straight away. You can you can see, you go to Auto Trader, you can see you can get cars. Here's a car for £350. Like really small investment. Hopefully it's running. You check it out, read it. If it's running, then just go to Gumtree, say, and post it again and try to sell it for maybe say 600 to £700. And you go up north, you can buy the car up far and post it again online, and someone will come and check it out. So again, it doesn't have to be cars, it could be anything. This is just an idea. Buy and sell certain products online. And cars one example, because you can actually get, look, you got another car really cheap, £450, and sell it. And there'll be a lot of people out there who are willing to buy broken cars to fix and sell it on again, especially if it's quite far out, like areas that not like, for example, London prices are a lot higher than people up north. Cars or prices up north, sorry. So that's another idea for you guys to think about. Number 9, do you have a skill that people can use? Here's another way of making some money when you're home, especially if you're maybe a teenager, you're a little bit bored, but you have a skill set. What is that skill set? Maybe you're quite a creative person. Go check out Fiverr. So if you go to Fiverr businesses, there's a lot of people out there that need help in terms of graphics design, website building. Let me show you: logo, website building, visual designs, print design products, but social media. Let's just show you the graphics section. Look, so say you're good at animation or just a creative person. Why don't you put your services out there? Look how much people are charging. £135 to create I will design was a logo for you. This is a minimalist feminine logo design. £135. So list your skills up. List your list what you can and what you can't do. What you can do. People want to know what you can do. Here's another one. Look, I will design your custom logo and brand identity, charging £1,271. That's no joke. Obviously, if you're new to the game, you're quite, you're still young. Maybe you don't need £1,000 yet. Put your prices a bit low. Here's someone charging £55. I will draw your logo in hand lettering and typography style like this. Maybe you're good at it. Maybe you're good at computers. Like I said, maybe you're good at web design. If you're a young student, still learning the trade, let me go to web design section. Now, I will design creative, unique, and high quality website. £357 roughly. Here's another one for £158. I will design a professional website for your business. Again, that could be you. That could be you. Maybe you got a little hobby of designing things or making websites yourself. Why don't you make money out of it? Go to Fiverr site and you can list your skill up. And you never know. Maybe someone will pay for your service. You don't have to charge off high. Charge of a bit low. Get the reviews up higher like this. And that's got 163, that's got 11. We all have to start somewhere. So, charge a little bit low, maybe get your reviews up, let people leave a like, leave a 5 star, and you never know, that could be you one day in the future charging, as we saw, £1,000 just to create a design, a website. Don't forget also to like my page, like our channel, because it makes a big difference to us. Number 10, and
Have you ever also
finally,
considered YouTube? So have you ever also considered YouTube? So as I said, this is a nice way if you're a student or you're at home, you just want to make some money from home and nothing else to do, got a lot of time, why not check out YouTube? Let's show you an example of a nice little kid who's making a lot of money. This is Rayan's world. This is his page. He's a YouTuber and he's a little kid. I'm sure you guys watching this are probably a bit older than him. And look how many people have seen his videos. 50 billion people have viewed this little kid's reviews. And this month alone, 481 million people have checked him out this month alone. If we just scroll down, look, a day ago, he's posted a video. Plant vs Zombie comes to Rand's house, pretended play. Anyway, 142,000 views, that video alone. So how do you make money from YouTube? Firstly, I'm sure maybe you have tried to make YouTube videos, but you haven't had the views, you haven't had the success. Look, you're probably watching my video right now on YouTube, and I don't probably have that many subscribers or like. By the way, like my video and do subscribe if you don't mind. But you keep posting until eventually someone finds your video, your content interesting, likes it, and shares it. So. And you have to grind every day. Maybe Ryan didn't post one video up, and overnight 50 billion people saw his video. No, he kept posting and posting until look, 16 million people have seen this video 1 year ago. But how exactly do you make money now from YouTube? So there's a couple of ways. YouTube will firstly give you money for advertising. That's one way of making money. A nice little side income as a student. Don't also forget we talked about affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing. Once you have that viewership, as we've seen with Ryan, 50 billion people have seen it. 41 million views this month alone. So for example, this video he posted yesterday, maybe he's talking about a certain product. He posts a product below, sends the link to it, you go click on it and buy that product. Amazon then gives you, if you put the Amazon affiliate up, a 12% cut, max, like we saw, they said they can give you a potential 12% cut. Then you're going to now make not only money from the marketing side of advertising from YouTube alone, but also the affiliate marketing. So there's two in one go. We just literally talked about affiliate marketing, and now you have practically have applied it. And then don't also forget social media. You get big on social media. You post your products up on social media. Then again, you get money from it. So that's one way of making money. You go to YouTube and make an account, start working, start grinding. It's gonna be hard, it's not easy. Making money isn't easy, but if you don't try, you'll never know. So there you have it, 10 different ways of trying to make some money from home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with YouTube for Broke People.